Hello children, good morning. All of you take your English first book, lesson 4. English first, lesson 4. English first, lesson 4. Subject and predicates. Subject and predicate. See in your book, all sentence can be divided into two parts. All sentence can be divided in two parts. One, naming parts, and second one is doing parts. All sentences can be divided into two parts. First one is naming part. Second one is doing part. Naming part and doing part. The person, place or things we can speak about naming parts. In naming parts, person, place or things. Okay? In naming parts. What we say about the person, place or thing? जो हम पर्सन और प्लेस और थिंग्स के लिए बोलते हैं वो डूइंग पार्ट्स हो जाएगा, यानी जो कर्म है नेमिंग पार्ट होता है और जो जिसके द्वारा किया जाता है वो हमारा डूइंग पार्ट होता है. सो फर्स्ट एग्जांपल, आई एम गोइंग टू कलकत्ता बाय ट्रेन. आई मीन्स नेमिंग पार्ट यानी कर्ता. आई एम गोइंग टू कोलकाता बाय ट्रेन मतलब मेरे द्वारा कोलकाता गया, वो हो जाएगा डूइंग पार्ट. ओके, स्टडी द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस केयरफुली. हियर इन योर बुक given two parts, naming parts and doing parts. All of you see very carefully. First, India. India is naming part and doing part is an Asian country. Second one, my mother. My mother is naming part. Is a housewife. Is a housewife is a doing part. Ravi and Amit. Ravi and Amit is naming part. Are my classmates. Are my classmates is doing part. That man, naming part, was going to see the fair is doing part. The boys, naming part, played very well is doing part. The naming part of the sentence is known as the subject. Okay, the naming part is known as subject. The subject refer to the person or thing that does the action. Naming part is also called subject. The doing part of the sentence is known as the predicates. जो doing part होता है उसको predicate भी बोलते हैं. The predicate refer to the rest of the sentence being with the verb. Thus, it is clear that a sentence has two main parts, the subject and the predicate. A sentence has a two main parts, one subject and second one is predicates. Now, see in exercise, divide the following sentences into subject and predicates. Here are given one sentence. You can divide subject or predicates. Okay, I shall not be at home tomorrow. Kavita is my elder sister. Birds flying high in the sky. My parents have gone to Simla. The girls are singing and dancing. Most boys like cricket. Archana is an intelligent student. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Bread and butter is my favorite breakfast. The sun rises brightly. So you can divide here subject and predicate. See here two column in there. Here is given two column subject and predicate. First, I shall not be at home tomorrow. So I is our subject and shall not be at home tomorrow. Is predicate. Next, to Kavita. Kavita is my elder sister. Third one is birds fly high in the sky. Fourth, my parents have gone to Shimla. Gone to Shimla. Next, the girls are singing and dancing. Are singing and dancing. Six, most boys like cricket. Most boys like cricket. Next, Archana is an intelligent student. 8, Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Next, bread and butter. Bread and butter is my favorite breakfast. Last and tenth is the sun shine brightly. Okay, see what is subject and predicate. I is subject. Shall not be at home tomorrow. Kavita is subject and predicate is my elder sister. Birds subject. Flying high in the sky predicate. My parents subject have gone to Shimla predicate. The girls subject are singing and dancing predicates. Most boys subject like repeat predicate. Archana subject is an intelligent student predicate. Humpty Dumpty subject sat on a wall predicate. Bread and butter subject is my favorite breakfast predicate. The sun subject shine brightly predicate. All of you fill in your book. And next one is look at the picture and from sentences use the picture from box A to from subject the pictures from boxes B to from predicates. Okay. Here are given one example. See, an elephant has a trunk. A is given here. Next, B is the giraffe. The giraffe has long neck. Okay, see here. In A, here are given some animals, pig, and in B was a special predicates. Okay, and C the tiger. The tiger has black streaks on its body. The tiger has black strips on its body. Now D, the camel has a hump on its back. Next E, the monkey has a long tail. The giraffe has long neck. The tiger has black strip on its body. The camel has a hump on its back. The monkey has a tall, long tail. Okay, all of you fill in your book, and I am sending you PDF in your mobile. So all of you write the PDF in your English first copy. Okay. For today, this one is enough. See and write. Okay. Bye.